Welcome back, guys, to SlipStream TV. As promised, go ahead and give you guys a POV video of this car. As you all know, this car has a muffler delete and it sounds glorious. So I want to give you guys some driving clips. I want to put you guys behind the wheel. Yeah, turn it on. Sounds glorious. You hear that? Sounds good. This right here is a muffler delete could do. This is what a muffler delete could do. Crazy. Give it a couple revs. Damn. Yeah, as you can see, she sounds crazy. So I'm gonna shut the hell up. I'm go ahead, go for a drive and put you guys behind the wheel. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, Will Smith.
From now on, that's how you're supposed to drive.
That's how I always drive.
Get money.
Those pops, it's just crazy. They bite. Damn.
All right, Maverick.
Maverick.
Damn, that sounds good. Even the upshift.
Yeah, we're on the upshift side. With the underpass. Jesus. Mean, bro.
It almost sounds like it wants to fall apart.
Yeah, right? It sounds like it wants to blow up. It's crazy. This is one of the best sounding V8s I've ever driven, bro.
Wait till you get in the Mustang.
Mustang.
You ain't doing Mustang yet.
Yeah, you're right. Got to review one. Imagine the Hellcat.
Mm-hmm. Hellcat demon. Yeah.
If this is rambunctious, imagine the Hellcat. I don't even know if rambunctious is even a word.
No, that's a word.
It's a word, right? Mm-hmm. like right at the very top, she screams, dude.
And it wants to keep going.
Yeah, it wants to keep going. That's freaking crazy. What does this rev up to? 6,000? It feels like 9,000. That's crazy. Stupid amount of torque. Yeah, she's very pushy, but she does handle it very well though. As big of a car as this is, she handles very well. It feels like a coupe. That's what it feels like. I mean, in the beginning when you first start driving this car, I mean, you do feel pretty big, but after like what, 5 minutes, you think you're in the coupe.
You get used to it.
Yeah, get used to it. She's very easy to drive. Very easy. All right, guys, as you can see, this car drives like a freaking beast. Very torquey at the low end. She wants to scream at the top end. Sounds crazy. Hasn't overheated at all. This is summer weather, by the way. It's like 80 degrees outside, and yeah, she performs great. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for hanging out with me, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.